Hi, this is Russell Alberson of the Russell Alberson Agency with American Family Insurance. Just wanted to take a minute or two today to show you another great feature you get when you have your policies with the Russell Alberson Agency. And not only are you able to visit us at our local office here in Fort Wayne, or to call us locally and talk to one of our agency's producers or customer service reps, but we also have a fantastic website that allows you to access all of your policy information and get quotes and make changes. So let's go ahead and jump into the website. It's just RussellAlberson.com. So RussellAlberson.com. The website's going to pop up here, and you're going to go to actually the My Account tab. Now, if you don't have an account set up already, you're going to click this Enroll Today, and you're going to get enrolled right away, as long as we have your cell phone on file, and they will send you a PIN, and you can get enrolled the same day. So I am already enrolled, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my account login information. And once I click login here, account's going to come up. Now the first thing you're going to notice is right here at the top there are some scrolling banners. These banners actually allow access to some important information. There's our new Simply Protected Term Life information there. There's an app that we offer that will alert you of tornadoes in our area. And there's also another great app called the Dream Vault. What that does is it allows you to go around your home and take pictures of everything in your home and record what it is and what room. So if there's ever a loss, whether it's a fire or a theft or something like that, we've got all your information backed up online, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure out and catalog and remember everything. And then you're going to want to scroll down here. The Overview tab is going to show you all of your current billing information, so it's going to list your accounts, your policy information, your home, your autos, and you can also click this tab right here, View Current Bill. It's going to actually pull up a copy of your current bill that's due this month, and you'll see account balances, a minimum due, that type of stuff. The Billing and Payment tab also gives you that same information, but it does allow you to get a little bit more in depth and to register accounts. Right now these accounts are set up for automatic fund transfers, so it's telling you that I can't make changes to that currently. And then policies. Policies is where you're going to get all of your information on your current policies that you have with American Family Insurance. You're going to get your policy numbers here, who the named insureds are, the address, and all that type of stuff that you typically see. But there is a cool feature on here that I like, and it's the Calculate Options. What this does is it allows you to take your current policy, shows you what your current coverage is, but then allows you to make changes. So let's say I'm thinking about adding more coverage to bodily injury. I can actually just change that there, hit recalculate. It's going to tell me what I was paying and what I'm going to pay for that new premium. So that's a pretty neat feature that you can go in there and play around with your own policies, and it'll show you, see, I just increased it by $26.70 every 6 months. Hey, maybe that's something I want to do, so I can either send that to agent or just go ahead and close it out. So that's available under the Policies tab. You can also report claims here. You can request changes. Those changes come directly to our office. You can see, here we'll just expand all. You can see what discounts you currently have, and then you can go in here and see coverage summary letters. So anytime there's a renewal, it'll tell you what coverages you have. We mail that to you. Auto declaration, bank calls and said, hey, for some reason we don't have proof of insurance on your current car. Right here it is. Just click this. Pops right up for you, and you can print it and you can mail it out to the bank, or you can still call us and we will fax it or mail it over to the bank. You can also view any claims that you might have. Here's a history of claims for this customer. There's a claim, and you can click that claim number, and it'll actually tell you who the adjuster was on the claim. In this case, it was Josh Conham, and I can send him an email. That's kind of a nice feature if your claims are still open and you need information. And then if you scroll down all the way to the bottom here, you can change your payment methods by clicking here. You can change your personal preferences, like your login information, the another tab to view your bills. There's also a life needs calculator. Been thinking about getting life insurance? Here's a place where you can calculate how much you need. There's a button here. You can schedule a callback, and either our office or someone from corporate will call you back. And then there's a custom family protection tool. And what that does is just allows you to set your overall insurance needs and to make sure that you are properly covered. So let's click here. So if you're on the overview page as well, you can get our agency information. What that does is give you our phone number. Click here, you can send an email, and gives you our location, our actual physical address here in Fort Wayne as well. And then there's a scheduled callback again. So it's a great website. So now with American Family Insurance, not only do you get the personal service of an agent and his or her staff, but now you have a web portal where you can go in and do it yourself if you don't really want to take the time to give us a call. So that's all we have for today. If you have any questions, feel free to give our office a call, and we'll help you get this set up. It's the office number is 260-434-0157. Thank you.